Good morning. So as you can tell by my voice, my cold has kicked in a bit more. So I might actually lose my voice today, so that should be interesting. But we are up nice and early for extra magic hours on our way into the park now. Get some rides done before the park officially opens, but then we are going for a character breakfast at Plaza Gardens, which I'm super excited about. So it's going to be another chill day today, but I'm sure it's going to be lots of fun. We are currently waiting to go on Big Thunder Mountain in extra magic hours this morning, but the test keeps going on and on and on. But we're okay, we're going to wait because we've got breakfast soon, so we thought we might as well kill some time. So fingers crossed we get on it too. We love Big Thunder. So we're at Plaza Gardens, and I would show you the buffet, but it is chaos. It's so busy in here, as you can probably tell by the noise. So let's just show you some of the food selection I have picked this morning. So for my breakfast I have gone continental, and I've gone for some cold meat. So we've got some ham and salami, chorizo, and a lovely bit of salmon, different types of cheese, and then I've got a roll, croissant, a little raisin swirly thing, some Christmas cake, and a satsuma. Can't wait to tuck in because I'm starving. We've been up for ages, so let's give this a try. Having our breakfast at Plaza Gardens, which was another really good meal. Really enjoyed it. Great character interactions, definitely worth it. If you're on the meal plan, you can get it included. You might just have to pay a supplement depending on what plan you're on, but yeah, really good, really enjoyed it and definitely recommend it. Now off to enjoying the rain at Disneyland.
Gardez votre forme, les gars. C'est de l'or que je voulais.
to our hotel, the Sequoia Lodge. Pretty knackered. We've had a pretty crazy morning. Sorry for the jerking. It's all the bus. Yeah, we're pretty knackered, and it won't stop raining. It's literally stopped for like the last 5 minutes, but the sky is black. So we thought we'd take this opportunity to chill out before the fireworks. And this is so jumpy. Sorry. Yeah, so we're just gonna chill out, get some rest, and yeah, hopefully the weather would have died down, and then we can get on to some more Disney adventures later. So yeah, watch this space.
Voici votre invitation pour un voyage au-delà du rêve.
Within each of us is a dream just waiting to be awakened. We all have the magic to unlock this inner child. But sometimes that inner child needs an invitation to come out and play.
Just about, yeah.
This is your invitation to dream.
Wish your heart
amazing illuminations, fireworks at the castle. Really, totally enjoyed it as always. Still getting used to Frozen being sung in French though. Doesn't have the same ring to it, but still totally awesome. And now we're trying to get them all important castle selfies with no one in front of them. As you can see by my breath and all the steam, it's pretty freezing out here. So yeah, we need to get on with it, and then time for dinner at the Yacht Club. Delicious.